Here, these are really interesting grilled cheese bags. Reusable again and again. It comes with two. Prepare and insert in toaster. Insert toasty into your toast bag into your toaster or toaster oven. Enjoy your perfect grilled cheese. No mess, no fuss. Toasty bags can also heat up pizza slices, chicken nuggets, french fries, cheese sticks, and more. No more soggy reheat snacks from the microwave. Perfect on the go toasty goodness. 550 times each bag. Whoops, I threw one out. So easy. Prepare, toast, serve. Toasted bags, it's better in the bag. So we have here a grilled cheese. I'm gonna power this on. Paper. My first thing is, do not. Oh, okay, I was worried it was going to melt in there. Maybe it won't. Oh, okay. How do I get you in here? Okay, now I'm just making a giant mess everywhere. Ah. Really? Ah, okay. Gross, 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 gross. Just gotta jam it in and call it a day. Come on. Don't butter your sandwich before you do this. This is not gonna go well. Let's go for 3. Oh. Pause you. I might give it one more try later. This is what I made on the stove. I might have to try it without buttering it, because the butter really got all... I'm not really sure how you... Whatever. Now this is a grilled cheese. I messed up the video. Oh. Okay. So the things I'm looking for in this product: does it melt? Does the cheese melt on the bread? Does it get out of there without making a giant mess? Is it toasted all the way? Is it burnt? It is not toasted all the way, so we're going to put it back in for a few more seconds. And hope it doesn't burn down my entire house, because it stinks. By heaven. I might have to try it again without bread that's already... Maybe I'll try toast. I think the cheese is confusing it. Even though it says the grilled... Wow. Let's try this again. I think it's burning. Oh! That looks disgusting. First of all. And hot. Okay, we're gonna let it cool. Nope. On my counter, because I'm not trusting that. No way. That stinks to high heaven. Okay, I have to redo this video. This video is so bad. Let's see how it looks now. Ooh. Do I have to take a bite? Nope. This is burnt. Not even cooked. Don't do it. I wouldn't. At all. No way. Jose. Okay. Why is this not working? Okay. We'll come back to this later. Ugh. Okay. That was disgusting.